Best solar panels for home in India. In countries like India, solar panel technology is gathering a positive trend. Rising power bills and growing levels of air pollution are the reasons for the rising demand. The construction of portable solar panels not only significantly lowers power bills but also plays a significant role in reducing air pollution. The requirement for a solar system also depends on the situation and usage. If an individual needs power backup, they should select an off-grid solar system. But if someone wants to minimize their energy bill, they should opt for an on-grid solar system. While cost and technology advances the gathering pace around the world, solar panels are becoming increasingly widespread across our country. If you are going to purchase all-season solar panels and are confused regarding how to choose the best solar panels for home in a country like India, then in this article will be an excellent help for you to the best solar panels for your home. This article helps you buy high-quality solar panels in India. What is a solar system? A solar system consists of modules or solar panels, charging controllers, batteries, inverters, and a balance of systems. Solar panels are one of the most critical parts of a rooftop system and constitute 50% of the overall cost of the system. Inverters are the solar system's powerhouses that store the panel's surplus energy that will be used later when there is no light. These constitute about 25% of the overall cost of the system. Balance of system requires components such as cables, cabling, junction boxes, mounting systems, etc. How does it work? During the daytime, the panels absorb sunlight and store the extra power generated for use during night time. Once the sunlight falls on the windows, there is a reaction that turns solar energy into electricity. The higher the energy that falls on an atom, the simpler it is to excite electrons that add to the current flow and to generate higher current. Solar panels made up of what? Solar panels are typically made up of solar cells and require a minimum of 20 to 25 devices. It includes cutting, taping, stringing, attachment, lamination, measuring, fixing junction box, washing, inspection, etc. processes to make a full solar panel. Different types of solar PV systems. Off-grid solar system. Usually, an off-grid solar system mainly consists of solar panels, mounting frames, inverter, power backup, battery box and system balance. The system operates irrespective of the network. It allows the storing of energy in the battery banks, which can be used by the domestic inverter to supply the household current. The off-grid solar system functions independently of the grid, which would be favored where there are a severe power cut issue and no stable electricity supply. On-grid solar system. An on-grid solar panel operates with the power grid. It is usually used when your energy consumption is high and you want your electricity bills reduced. There are no batteries in an on-grid system. Battery banks do not need this network to store electricity. If your overall use of electricity is high, it is usually useful. The use of the solar system during the day to fulfill the energy needs decreases the overall output from the primary grid. You therefore end up saving on the electricity bills. Hybrid solar system. The third type of solar system is called the hybrid solar system. It is a mix of on-grid solar systems and off-grid solar systems. Unlike off-grid set networks, this system uses battery banks and inverters. The hybrid solar system's uniqueness is that it also connects to the grid. Therefore, even during power cuts at night, it provides an uninterrupted electricity supply. Under these conditions, the energy contained in the batteries is useful. The system allows you to save the full amount of money and power. Features of a solar system. The key features of high quality solar panels are that you can save money on your electricity bills while still making a positive environmental impact. There are a variety of other unique features, however, and these are what makes these panels so appealing to residential properties. It is especially true for people who want to be the autonomous and have the protection of resources. Let's look at some of the original and unique features of the best solar panels for home. Brand name. Looking for an authentic brand is good advice, but it is a difficult one. You are sure to have high quality if you see brands like Luminous, Suncom or Tata Solar Panels. You will be probably paying a higher price though. So, you will need to spend some time evaluating the various brands and comparing their costs. Low maintenance. Solar panels do not need much servicing. Once installed, you just need to maintain them once a year, at which point they'll be cleaned as well. It will ensure the panels remain working correctly. Solar panels are without moving parts, so they are incredibly durable. Therefore, very little maintenance is needed. Source of power that is reliable and continuous. Each morning the sun will rise and it will set each night. That's so reliable that we know when it will happen. We can even make estimations regarding project sunshine in season and forecasting the weather. It gives conservation of energy. If a home is on the electricity grid or it's totally off the grid, solar panels provide energy protection. Everyone on the grid would have to pay for the energy they are using through their solar power source, which means they are paying for the electricity. Those rates vary according to several factors, including political pressures. The functioning is silent. Power plants and generators are incredibly disruptive, including renewable technologies such as wind turbines, heat generators, and hydroelectric systems. Solar panels, on the other hand, make almost no noise. The energy merely comes from the sun, which they harvest and bring it to you. Don't require a lot of space. You don't need to have a massive roof to enjoy using solar panels. Rooftops are famous because they get plenty of sunlight and are wasted space, but you can practically install the panels on just about anything. One of the best features of the portable solar panels is that it is relatively small. They are extremely durable. A decent quality solar panel can last up to a quarter of a century. A lot of solar panels are more durable than roofs. At the same time, their inverters continue to last for a minimum of 10 years. Therefore, it is not as long as the panel, but it does last long enough to derive a significant benefit from it. Advantages of installing a solar PV system. Installing a high quality solar PV system will effectively and efficiently tackle the problem of power cuts. Installation of solar photovoltaic systems PV can help in power generation for your domestic and commercial needs. Installing a solar photovoltaic system is only a one-time investment. The system needs minimal maintenance, thus providing the commercial or household establishment with a continuous electricity supply. The device also helps to reduce your consumption in addition to producing electricity, thus helping you control your electricity bills. The current solar photovoltaic system can also supply energy to the primary grid, whereby you become an electricity source rather than a customer. It helps the particular states to overcome a deficit in the power supply. The Indian government has launched subsidies, thus allowing people to use solar energy for their consumption of electricity. Best solar panels in India. Luminous 325 watt solar panels, polycrystalline 24V. Luminous is one of India's leading and popular brands which come with a wide range of products within a reasonable price ranging, beginning with an inverter, battery, solar panel lighting, fans, all manufactured by Luminous. The Luminous all-season solar panel is a mid-range product with many features and functionality. The building quality of the panels, the architecture and the positioning, everything is well coordinated and well thought. Let's speak more in depth about the product. Key features and specifications. You can also attach these Luminous solar panels to your home inverter to generate electricity so that you can use it in your home and office areas. These solar panels have an output of 325 watts, which ensures that a large number of electrical devices can be powered using the power supply network, that is a fan, 2 lights and 1 TV, as long as it serves you with electricity. These panels have 24 volts operating voltage. The Luminous panels made by polycrystalline panel material come with a 25-year output warranty. It indicates that these panels are one of the most successful and durable products in the market. The space required for these solar panels is just 20 square foot and the roof, and make sure they are put in a position where they can get sufficient sunlight to recharge. In the long run, two 12-volt batteries can be attached to these solar panels. Pros. The charging times for these solar panels are pretty short. The direct sunlight from 12 am to 4 pm will completely charge the panels and be able to provide quality services to you. These ultra-sustainable Luminous solar panels are made of very lightweight polycrystalline panel material. They are innovative technology, so last longer than any other panels available today right now. Excellent pricing makes it one of India's most famous solar panels. The current conversion efficiency is of high quality. The panel provides an anti-reflective coating so that more light can be absorbed for better recharge. It will offer excellent performance even in the rainy weather or in the evening. Cons: for backup, these panels need two batteries, therefore the total cost factor will increase. Not as good as the monocrystalline panels in terms of efficiency. Check the video description box for the product details. Sucam Solar Panel 100 Watt 12 Volt. Sucam is one of the India's leading solar energy players and has been awarded many significant awards, including India's most trusted brand in its 2015 category. These high-quality solar panels comes with innovative features that allow Sucam to rank among the top in India's solar panel manufacturing sector too. These panels can charge a 12-volt battery bank quickly during the day, but in the case of a power outage, they will have an excellent nighttime backup. Sucam products have the benefit of being durable and able to work excellently under adverse weather conditions. The frame of aluminium provides extra protection for valuable solar cells. These panels also come with a 25-year value warranty cover. Key features and specifications: polycrystalline silicon solar panel with 100 watt power rating. Has a linear production warranty of 25 years with a product or material warranty of 5 years. It has a 14.9% efficiency. Sucam solar panels are strong enough to generate 8.5 amps of electric current. For the solar cells, these panels come with a protective glass covering. Such panels pass through rigorous testing of reliability and longevity before being introduced into the market. Pros: Sucam is a trusted brand in the renewable energy sector in India. These solar panels are consistently more than 16% effective. The Sucam solar panels are similarly flexible and robust, though costing less than the monocrystalline panels. The mechanical strength is firm. It is one of the most consistent and most durable products. Cons: a big drawback is the power resistance of plus or minus 3% at a time when solar panels come with high power resistance. Such panels do not show the same levels of performance in rainy and cloudy environments. You need to charge a 150 Ah battery on two solar panels, thus the device will take up space. Check the video description box to know the product price. Tata Solar Panel 100 Watt. The Tata Power TP300 series solar panel is one of their prestigious range of solar panels. It is a multi-crystalline silicon panel with a power consumption of 300 watt and a positive voltage tolerance of 0 to 5%. The all-season solar panel has a 15.1% solar cell capacity and comes with a 25-year linear performance warranty. Along with the positive power tolerance, the linear power performance guarantee gives it a significant advantage over the solar panels which are available commercially. It has a transition temperature of minus 0.40% per degree Celsius, which is among the best coefficients of temperature available in the market. Also, it has a very durable design and it is strong enough to withstand wind loads of up to 5400 PA, which is equivalent to a load of 916 kg. Key features and specifications. The solar panel has a 300 watt power rating. It has 15.1% solar efficiency, has a 25-year linear power performance guarantee. It is strong enough to withstand snow and wind loads of up to 5400 PA. Pros: it has a high tolerance of 0 to 5%, which implies you are expected to generate 310 watt certainly. The temperature coefficient for the power produced is minus 0.40%. Cons: the 15.1% efficiency performance is not the best available in the market. Check the video description box to know the product price. Solar Panels Buyer's Guide. Solar panels are the perfect solution to reducing your electricity bill, but don't get carried away too much by fancy commercials. There are other vital factors to consider before selecting solar panels for your home. Manufacturer's warranty. When buying a high quality solar panel, warranty is indeed the most crucial aspect that requires careful checking. For other products like a battery, an inverter, or a charge controller, it may be something straightforward, but in the case of solar panels, it's a little complicated. There are two types of warranties for solar panels. The first one is the performance warranty, and the second one is the manufacturer's warranty. As indicated by the term, the manufacturer's warranty includes manufacturing defects, reliability, and other environmental concerns. The manufacturer's warranty duration typically is 5 to 15 years. It is important because the solar panel is something that is kept outdoors and it needs to be powerful enough to withstand external problems like a hailstorm. In comparison, performance warranty determines the rate of panel deterioration. Many manufacturers offer the power producing capability and output warranty over the next 25 years. It ensures the output of solar panels will degrade over time but will not degrade above a certain percentage. It is generally around a reduction of 0.7%. The lower the percentage gets, the better it gets too. Solar panel reviews and ratings. It shows a solar panel's ability to produce current under some conditions. Solar panel ratings are a beneficial comparison parameter for solar cells. When a solar panel has a higher rating, then it will be generating more current than any other panel with a lower rating. After you have narrowed your favorite brands, you can zero down your pick by using customer reviews and testimonials online for those brands. Pricing of solar panels. The most critical consideration when purchasing solar panels is the price of the solar panels. The demand for solar panels in India has increased to a higher, as a result of which the extent of home solar panel prices has become the most affordable. Nowadays, electricity gets more expensive. Frequent power cuts allow the audience to seek more options for the same. So, the solar panels are one of the best energy sources at home. Anyone needs to purchase considerably less expensive solar panels. Buying in less could, however, have some drawbacks. Also, test in detail things like consistency of the parts, installation charge, warranty, duration, etc. Power requirement. Estimate your power requirements before you invest in a solar PV system. Power requirements mean electrical devices such as fans, tube lights, televisions, computers, refrigerators, and so on that you will connect to your solar panel. Certifications of solar panels. Certification of solar panels is essential, particularly when you are looking forward to receiving government subsidy on your project. Also, purchase MNRE certified solar panels that are Ministry of New and Renewable Energy to obtain government rebates. Only projects linked to the grid will take advantage of government subsidy. Durability. A panel's durability is measured by its power to withstand heavy rains, strong winds, hailstorms, extreme pressure, etc. Many of the top brands of solar panels are designed to sustain such harsh conditions. For instance, a solar panel approved for deployment in India would be relatively different from the one in the US. As a customer, you can choose panels certified for use in your country. Winding up, the Indian government has been trying its best to meet the renewable powers goal, and the different types of incentives play their role. The home and small business solar panels open the way for better India. Solar energy is cheap, renewable, and green. It does not affect the ecosystem anyway. It also helps to lower the electricity bill too. With the growing need and awareness of the value of solar panels, there is a wide range of high quality solar panels available in the market, and these portable solar panels are the best positioned product to meet the desire of the future clean energy. Create a list of all the relevant pointers and check them all one at a time to buy India's best solar panels for home. You can choose them according to your budget and consider your actual requirement further. Saving the atmosphere and switching to renewable energy is essential. It would be a considerable contribution to the environment as well.